Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to add modded items to your map in the Mero SDK. You don't have to use the extended SDK for this, but I would recommend you just get it anyway. So, you can see I have the missiles and bombs from explosive devices, and I have like the TV from Neighbor Lab. It's invisible. A better example would be the chair from Neighbor Lab. So the way you do it is first you're gonna want to download your selected mod, the Windows distribution, the Windows version, manually to your computer. So I already downloaded an old version. I won't re-download it for this. You're gonna want it'll be in your downloads folder. So you're gonna extract it, and then the folder that'll say like Core, explosive devices, or it'll say the name of your mod that was listed right. That will be listed when you download it. And you're gonna put it in any folder on your computer. Doesn't really matter where. And you're gonna go in your Mero SDK. You're gonna click on the palette you want to add the dependency to. So this will be the palette that you'll be able to spawn in. I think you'll be able to spawn in any, but this will be the one that's marked as required for. So you would click add palette dependency. Add bonelab dependency isn't really important because you'll have bonelab, but I say if it was like when patch 7 comes out, you'd probably have boneworks and bonelab there. So yeah, add palette dependency, take you to your folders, then you just go to whatever folder you put it in. Mine is Mero SDK dependency mods, and you would go to your mod and you want to look for palette. So the one that says .palette.json, and nothing happened, but it will show up in external palettes under the name of the mod on mod.io. So you see I have Neighbor Lab Honda. Some important things: you can't edit anything. This does not include maps. As you can see, I can't open this map that I've downloaded. You can make references to it though. You believe you can get monodisk data. I'm not 100% sure, as I've never really used the monodisk. But that's all. Hope this was a helpful tutorial, and bye.